Hello sweetest beauties, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to join the family. And if you are an old subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I want to start this video by sharing some of my pictures on how I started my natural hair journey and how far my hair has improved till this day, and also to encourage you to keep doing what you're doing and don't give up on your hair. You might think that your hair isn't improving, you might think that your hair isn't growing. Your hair is actually growing. One thing that you have to do is to concentrate on retaining the length of your hair, because one of the things that make us to think that our hair isn't growing is breakage. When your hair is breaking, you can't retain length, you can't see growth on your hair. So this year I focus more on retaining the length of my hair, improving hair growth by stopping unnecessary hair breakages. In this video, I'll be sharing with you all something that has helped my hair a lot. It has helped my hair in retaining more length, improving my hair growth, and also stops my hair from breakages. Right now, I wouldn't like to waste so much of your time, so let's jump right into the video and let me show you guys the secret ingredient that I've been using on my hair, which has improved my hair so much. These are the items that we are going to use in preparing this: MSM powder, castor oil, almond oil, essential oils. Essential oil that I'm going to use here is lemongrass essential oil and cinnamon essential oil, flaxseed, fenugreek seed, and fresh aloe vera. These are the items that we're going to use in preparing this leave-in detangler. I want to soak this tonight so that I can use it in the morning. This is flaxseed and this is fenugreek. Okay, so first thing, let me start with the flaxseed. I think this amount of flaxseed is okay. So the next one that I'm going to put here is fenugreek. You don't need to put much of fenugreek. But first, I have to remove the nylon that I used to cover it, and also, you can see that the aloe vera, the water has changed color. This is the poison that we need to take out from aloe vera. So whenever you want to use your aloe vera, you have to soak it to remove this poison. So coming to fenugreek, this is the reason why I use a small amount of fenugreek seed. So while using fenugreek, always know that fenugreek increase in the water. You can go back to our video and check the little amount of fenugreek that I put in this plate, and right now it's almost half of the plate. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of iron and proteins. These two are essential nutrients for hair growth. They also contain a unique compounds including flavonoids and saponins. Alright guys, let's look into the other items that we have here. I'll still tell you more about the benefits of fenugreek for our hair. The next one is the flaxseed. We don't need to cook this flaxseed, just soak it in the water and you get this jelly consistency. So guys, I'll use this juice bag to sieve all this because I don't need any particles on my hair. Okay, so the first one that we'll start with is fenugreek. The mucilage content in fenugreek replenishes the hair and provides smoothness, allowing us to detangle our hair easily post every wash. Flaxseed helps in strengthening your hair. The omega-3 fatty acid in flaxseed improves the health of your hair by making it stronger and improving the hair's elasticity. It's also good at binding moisture to the hair to reduce breakage, split ends, dryness, and frizz. Aloe vera helps to repair dead skin cells on the scalp. Aloe vera gel acts as a great conditioner. It leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. So guys, you can see the reason why I chose this tray for our leave-in detangler, because this tray, aloe vera, fenugreek, and flaxseed, has this slippery consistency. It has this jelly consistency that will help you to detangle your hair fast on your washing day. These three ingredients will not only help to boost your hair growth, it will help to reduce breakages, it will stop split ends, dryness, frizz, itchy scalp, stop dandruff, and also condition your hair. Not only that, it will help to moisturize your hair. Now the next thing we are going to add into this is MSM. I have to allow the foam on top of this to rest before I can add the MSM. Please, this is the third video that we are doing on MSM. If you haven't watched two videos that have used this MSM powder, please watch the video. On that videos, I explained the work of MSM for our hair. I'll put the link on top of here and also on the description box. After adding the MSM powder, make sure you stir it in the water to dissolve. This is cinnamon essential oil and lemongrass essential oil. So I'm going to use these two essential oils. Guys, if you have question about this video, please drop your comment on the comment section. Feel free to ask me any question or a suggestion of video. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. I hope you love this video and I would love to see you next time of my next video. Bye bye.